I was recently gifted a jar of dried hibiscus from a friend's trip to Egypt and remembered a beautiful cocktail recipe in Danny Child's Slow Drinks. As he explains it, hibiscus is planted in early March and is finished blooming in October, at which point the calyxes can be used fresh or dried to bring their bright red color and sharp acidity to food or drinks. Quick side note, if you don't know what a calyx is, don't worry, I didn't either. It's basically the outer part of a flower that serves to protect the unopened flower bud. The sepals on a flower are collectively referred to as the calyx. He says the earliest evidence for hibiscus use comes from around 6,000 years ago in Sudan, where it was known as roselle. From there, it spread throughout the rest of Africa and into Asia, where it was a prized food, medicine, and beverage. It came to the Americas via the African diaspora and the Atlantic slave trade, when West Africans brought roselle seeds with them to the Caribbean and later the Americas. Roselle, or hibiscus, as it's commonly known in the United States, is celebrated as a cultural and culinary connection to Africa.
It's Friday, Juneteenth is this weekend. Let's make a red drink to celebrate.
Childs writes about the tradition of red drink, a celebratory beverage for Black people in America, especially during Juneteenth. While the modern-day red drink is most often made with powdered mixes, it is widely believed that it was originally made with roselle, grown by enslaved people on southern plantations. He also writes about the Caribbean Christmas tradition of drinking sorrel, a sweetened hibiscus beverage that is spiced with ginger, clove, and cinnamon, and optionally spiked with wine or rum. This became the inspiration for his Flor de Jamaica cocktail, made with spiced hibiscus syrup. Very similar flavor profile to Germany's Glühwein or France's Vin Chaud, only 3 types of red. He says, I quote, "With its spice profile and deep ruby color, this cocktail is equally as delicious on a chilly fall day as it is on the beach in the summer. I couldn't agree more. But watch out, this drink packs a serious punch. While it's delicious as is, I recommend packing a tall glass with ice and cutting it with 50% Pellegrino. Enjoy."